Yo, what's up? It's Yujin Tang. Welcome to episode 8 of Super Simple Python. In this episode, we're going to build a calculator, and unlike the other times, we don't actually need any libraries for this. So we're going to start off, this is going to be a super simple calculator, so we're just going to implement add, subtract, divide, and multiply. And then, yeah, I mean, you can extend this yourself. So let's do def add AB, return A plus B. Def subtract AB, return A minus B. Def multiply AB, return A times B. And def divide AB, return A divided by B. Okay, now let's make a dictionary for our ops. So def ops, I think we just do ops equals add, and we'll get add, subtract, and we'll get subtract, divide, and we'll get divide, and multiply, and we'll get multiply. Okay. Now that we have all of that set up, it's time to, okay. Okay, now that we have all that set up, it's time to set up the operation for when it's for how it's actually going to work. So we're going to do def perform operation. That's going to be A op B, and that's just going to be functions op equals function equals ops op, yeah, and then we're going to return function A, B. And, it's actually, yeah. So we can do this. So the nice thing about Python is it's passed by name, so we can actually pass functions around like this, and you can't do this in most other languages, so this is kind of cool. So let's tell the user what this does. Let's see, input two numbers and an operator. That's good enough. So let's do A equals int input. What is the first number? And then B equals int input. What is the second number? And then C, all right, op is going to be input. We're not going to turn this into an integer. Which operation would you like to perform? And then we'll give them the choices: add, subtract, multiply, or divide. And that's it. And then we just do print perform A op B. Python calc. Okay, so let's do 7 and 3. Let's do subtract 4. You know what? Let's put this one. I feel like this goes better in the middle here. Yeah. All right. Now let's do a couple other ones. 8 multiplied by 9. Oh, I messed up there. Okay, let's try again. 8 multiply by 9. There you go. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is to creating a simple calculator in Python. If you like this video, if you learned something from this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time for another episode of Super Simple Python.